Hi this video we will learn how to delete Instagram account permanently. Deleting Instagram account, there are a few steps, so stay with me until end of the video. So friends, in today's video I will tell you that you have to click on it from your phone. As soon as you click on it, after that you will get to see a page like this. Then you will find 3 lines on the top of the right side. So you have to click on these 3 lines. As soon as you click on it, after that, you will get to see a page like this. Then you have to scroll down. After scrolling down, you will find help below. So you have to click on the help option. As soon as you click on it, after that, something like this, you will get to see a new page. You will see below it is written Help Center, so you have to click on it. As soon as you click on it, after that, it will hang for some time. Then you will get to see a new page. Then you will find 3 lines on the top of the right side, so you have to click on it. As soon as you click on it, after that, look below. It is written Manage Your Account, so you have to click on it. After clicking on it, you will get to see a new page like this. If you look above, a search icon is given. You will click on it, and in this, you have to write delete your account. So after writing delete your account in this way, you will see below. It is written delete your account. You have to click on it as soon as you click on it. After that, you will get to see many options here. At the top, it is written delete your. Here you will click on mobile browser. Help if you have an eye. Then you will select it here. If you are doing it in a computer or laptop, then you will click on computer help. So I am deleting it from the phone right now, so I will click on mobile browser help here. As soon as you click on it, after that you have to scroll up. After scrolling up, you will find delete your account below. You have to click on it. Music, as soon as you click on it, after that you will see a new page. Look below. It is written why do you want to delete Take D. After this, you have to click on this arrow below, and from here, you have to select any reason. There is no problem with this from here. You can select anyone. After selecting, you have to scroll down. After scrolling, look here. It is written, re-enter your password. So you have to enter your password in it, whatever yours. So let me enter my password here. So I have entered my password here. After entering the password, look below, it is written, delete. So you have to click on it. As soon as you click on it, then you have to click OK here. Then you have to wait for a few seconds here. After that, look here. It has been automatically logged out, and you cannot log out of it for 30 days in any computer or laptop or mobile. If you do not have to log into it, then after 30 days, it will be automatically deleted. So in the same way, you can log out of it in your phone. Hi, today video, we learned how to delete Instagram account permanently on mobile or desktop. Alright, if video helped you. Anyway, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit like button and open notification option. Each time you will see a new video. Thanks, take care, and bye.